Hello everybody, this is Ryan and I'm going to make a short video to show you how to enter HGSS assessment scores in EduClimber. The first step is to log into EduClimber. So the way I do that is I type in EduClimber in the URL bar. It pops up. Our district ID is 1383. Continue. And we're going to use the early access. And then click sign in with Google. Choose your email address. And it should take you into EduClimber. Now yours may look just a little bit different than mine, but that'll be okay because what really matters is right up here, whereas mine says 4 open assessment windows, yours may say 1 open assessment window, or it may say 2, it may say 4. But mine says 4, so that's where I'm going to click, is right here. I'm going to choose my assessment, and again I have several. What you're going to choose is HGSS assessment trimester 2. Or when trimester 3 comes in, you'll choose HGS assessment trimester 3. But I'm going to choose this one. Hit continue. And then this window will come up. Now you can do this a couple ways. You can do it by course or by grade. I'm going to do it by grade. So I'm going to choose a school, choose Logan, choose 4th grade, and my kids will pop up. Now I see all the kids because I have admin privileges. You'll most likely only see the kid that you serve. So you'll see here's the students. I'm in top secret mode, so I just have numbers, but you'll see student names. What you do is you go over here to the dark blue, you double click, and you choose the score for each one. And you just go down your list and enter scores. Now what's nice about the HGS assessment is that we can give it multiple times and you can exchange scores. So let's say let's say this month you scored them this way. Well, let's say next month you do another project and the evidence for the student got better. So what you do is you click here and you change it to a 3. So you can update them very easily. And then you'll need to save, just close it, and you're done. So that's a short tutorial on how to enter HGSS scores into EduClimber.